Abusiafuo me be ma hwe video mienu bi. We are never become ourselves.
When he comes to power, we want immediate posting after completion. Students are suffering. Unemployment is in the country. So we want him to come to our aid when he is able to come to power.
They are not donatory. Students are renting houses. It's difficult for us to rent. We should manage the economy well. Employ nurses. We don't want to sit in the house.
A few moments later.
Nkwasiafuo nursefuo na ate omo agu mbonte so se aban enti omo ka aban we baaye one city kura omunya bi ntu omaka omunya bi ntu omubotomo na nursefuo na amoma so oden ye ka kire mu na mantie ye ka kire mu se nipa ye nim na wia no ye nso ka na ehwe na anim anadwo ndc aban omo record se omo ba omo ntua adwumayefo ka omo sanfa adwumayefo ye ka kire mu na during campaign time ya je alawa so yento and this abambra oba na omo na befa adwuma enne nurses fo a omo titi fie abanwe baaye onfa one batch mpo teacher fo so science fa one batch mpo omo so omaye adwuma ekọ be 1 year abanwe baaye one city kro munya bi ntu omo botom etiyembusa omo se yembusa ndc fo se ndc aban se edie na nurses fo ni teachers fo and doctors for a dear no move for needy. A dear no move for dan. A dear no move for more banco school. Yet two move for sumati. Maso the day. Maso the day. MPP time. Who's at the baby da. MPP time who's at the baby. Who will be da at this NDC pencil. At this NDC pencil. More promises some mobile finance for mobile automatic posting. Embassy ne. One batch of nurses cram fabi teachers for so am fabi nurses for maswaden abanya otimi boa ayi government workers just say adwumayefo mo Ghana say NPP aban oba ofa adwumayefo o make sure say o say tu adwumayeni bia katuam by 30% enne nurses for TV o munya adwumanye enne ye ka kire musumati enti mo amonso amukuruwa why you too mufo na matie na next time NDC for ba mu be hwe mu mienu
I know all the problems you have with your allowances and everything. We're going to come and make things better for you.
Up until as we are doing this demonstration, there is still no timeline as to when we are going to receive our salary.
Right now, some of us who rented at our various communities where we've been placed, but we haven't received a single salary. Some of us have been vacated from our premises where we stay and then go to work. We pray that the government will hear our cry and then pay us, so they'll be able to settle our bills. Some people are really going through a lot. Yes.
We have been employed for almost 10 months now without salaries. So we are pleading with the government of Ghana, the Minister of Health, the Finance Minister to come to our aid and grant us our salaries. Thank you.
This is not a demonstration against the government. This is just an appeal to the government to pay us our salaries that we have sweated for the past 8 to 9 months. And so today, the nurses within the northern zone of the country is going to submit a petition to the northern regional minister to advocate for us in the highest office of government for us to be paid immediately.
Ralph, beyond just advocacy, how far do you intend to go in terms of ensuring your demands are met?
And so the demonstration has just kick-started from the northern zone of the country. Early next month, that is the 2nd and the 3rd of October, those within the southern zone will be marching forth to the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Finance, respectively. We are going to come support them with our mattresses and our pillows, and we are not leaving until they pay our salaries. We can continue to serve Ghanaians with dedication and compassionate, and each day we go back home and sleep with hunger. Our landlords are after us. Some of us are not being posted to our original homes. We have left our homes to go elsewhere to go and save. The government doesn't pay for our accommodation. We paid for our accommodation, and so they should grant us our monies so that we'll be able to settle debts that have been accumulated within the 8 to 9 months. And so the demonstration will continue in Accra, hopefully early next.
Jinsu and the money. Me see, Munya Mushio, JDM Nabaino. Afraid of our start. We have 3 years and 4 months to go. Munya Mushi. Let me tell you something. From 2012 to 2016, your mind will nipa a year juma, a year in fear me and Sandy Tom Cabosumi me and Sa. Kunako Busau, seniors now about 2 year juma, might my 10-15 years ago. Was a normal come with history and I joined Dramani Mahama and show. Tomoka science to reach the that is when I won't say the biggest mistake away in Sokotwaba, at the National Democratic Congress, the NDC. Because they don't really care about you. They don't care about you one bit. And the mistake you guys did was voting for them. Because let me tell you, next is almost sunya nursing, school. From 2012 to 2016, Mahama one posted one single batch. To talk of even paying them. One posted one single batch. In fact, in 2019, as the Kufa the Bible post Tista batches now on the 29th of June 2019, somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken the date, but it was in June 2019 before Kufa posted these nurses. But they catch you on Monty, more like Maswading. Sometimes I don't blame you people. I don't blame you people so much, but the fact that man John Dramani Mahama trono, that is where like it's very funny. Like because for you to sit down for someone who couldn't employ your seniors to come and tell you that no more employment and you believe in that person shows how ignorant and how like, I don't know the kind of words to use for you, but it shows like you guys were very ignorant because Senka out to me a researcher would have known, say, John Dramani Mahama, nurses bada, say, Bass treating nurses bada, come on to number 1. Now, Joshua failed to do share now, and Sana share second one and not almost an. First, the girls were like, we want employment, we don't want alawa. Or buy, and there is no employment. The alawa to crown, you're not even getting. There is no employment, the alawa to you're not even getting. Now you guys are demonstrating that you have not been paid for 9 months. You should relax. The game's about to start. The game's about to once they must say the card then. That one is your own problem because you told you no NTA, so you can't blame anyone. It's your own problem. Because this is a tool for no NTA or quantiade. Say a tool for no NTA or quantiade. That's what happened to you. Say a tool for no one then no NTA. And you guys thought say namo yawan. Namo ye kufuado. No. Namo yamu. Namo yamu. And who they suffer. Who they suffer. And you guys have not seen it. You guys should just relax. Because we still have more years ahead. And things are going to be very tough than this. It is going to be very tough than this. And you know, just relax. Be very fine. How you can answer TV? Because you am just so. I promise the blogger that so young to go and utie.